Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Dhanashri Kadam and welcome to our YouTube channel Chase the Code. In this video, we are going to talk about basic output function, that is printf. Before starting with this video, here is surprise exercise for you. Fill in the box. Look at the names below. One of them is valid. Pause the video for a while and think of an answer. Are you done? Okay, this might be your answer. Switch. Why switch? Even though you are not allowed to use keywords like switch, while, for, etc. for naming a variable, but you can still use them if you can change any one or more letters to uppercase. If you didn't get what I am saying, then kindly have a look into the previous video where I had explained whole situation. Okay, now we are moving to our today's topic of consideration, that is printf. We have to we have took some example from our previous lecture. In first printf, there is only one argument, that is chase the code, and that too in double quotes. In second printf, there are two arguments and third is quite similar to the second one. But only difference is instead of two arguments, there are three arguments if you observe carefully. First, first argument in this printf is always within double quotes. Isn't it? Reason behind this is first argument of printf is always string constant, that is sequence of character to be printed on screen. The first printf statement prints chase the code, which is nothing but sequence of character or string. So that is okay. But if you remember, second printf doesn't print %d on the screen. Instead, it prints the value of variable onto the screen. But why? Because %d is your placeholder for this variable. This simply says, take next argument from printf and replace me with that argument. Here, letter D holds some meaning in itself. It means whatever is coming in my place, print it as an integer. D means decimal number. That is any combination of numbers from 0 to 9. If you observe third code, inside double quote, you have second 2 percentile Ds in between. There is a space, right? After that, you have two variables, var1 and var2. First percent %d takes first variable var1 and second percent %d takes second variable var2. Suppose var1 has value is equals to 3 and var2 has value is equals to 4. Then you can predict what is going to be the output for this printf statement. It's like this, 3 and 4 with blank spaces in between. Because in place of these placeholders, you are putting variables values. As var1 is equals to 3, so instead of percentile d, we are having 3 over here. And instead of this percent d, we are having 4 over here, which is value of var2. It is important to note that for each percent d, you must have to provide a variable either same or different. If you won't provide, then you may caught with an error. And that error is expected expression before this token. Because this percent %d is matching with, first percent %d is matching with var1, second percent %d is matching with var2, but third percent %d is not matching with any variable. Due to this, you caught within an error. To sum up the whole situation, let me give you one more example. I have declared and defined and initialize three variables one after the other, as you can see over here, and then I have mentioned another variable result of this arithmetic expression. As you can see, variables instead of actual values. You know, here in arithmetic expression, writing down variable names is equivalent to actually write down these values over here. That is why in reality when code is getting executed, the actual value is getting replaced in place of this variable. So here you can see 2 plus 3 multiplied by 6 divide by 3 is what is going to be case, and I calculate 2 plus 3 is equals to 5 multiplied by 6 is equals to 3 and divided by 3 is equals to 10. Then the result must be 10. After that I had written printf statements. I am new to programming, but I know how to write arithmetic expression like this. Now I just want to replace this arithmetic expression as it is over here. Due to this reason I put %d plus %d multiplied by %d divided by %d, and each placeholder is getting replaced with these variables over here. That is, this first %d will get replaced with 2, second %d will get replaced with 3, third %d will get replaced with 6, and fourth %d will get replaced with 3. As we know, whatever is inside this double quote, it is as it is getting printed on the console. You can see in a moment what is going to be the output. In second printf, as you can see, and the result of this arithmetic expression is %d. In the place of this %d, you will get result variable. So here whatever I had calculated, value is equals to 10 is going to be get printed over here. In this printf statement, let me execute, and you can see, and the output is, I am new to programming, but I know how to write arithmetic expressions like this. 2 plus 3 multiplied by 6 divided by 3 is exactly getting printed. After that, you can see the %d is getting replaced with these values, 2 plus 3 multiplied by 6 divided by 10, and the result of this arithmetic expression is 10. What I am expecting is 10. Process returns 0, that is, everything is okay. Now I think from this example it is very much clear that how to use these placeholders in your program. That's it for today. Thank you.